This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
March 22nd, 2015 marked the end of week 8 of the 2014-2015 sugarcane crop season. The report, provided by the Belize Sugar Industries Limited, shows that for week 8, which started on March 16th, the factory milled 54,488 tons of cane. So far, for the 8 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 416,750 tons of cane. That is 4,339 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 421,089 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 6,839 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 8. For the 8 weeks of crop, a total of 49,670 tons of sugar has been produced. That figure again supersedes the amount of sugar produced last year of 43,077 tons. For the 8 weeks of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 7,784 tons cane per day. For the 8 weeks of crop, grinding rate stands at 7,442 tons cane per day. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,519 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 8, juice purity first expressed stood at 88.69%, 88.12% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 86.69% last year. For the 8th week of crop, it took 7.97 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 8 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 8.39. Last year, it stood at 9.77. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 95.49% was recorded for this week, 95.27% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 95.33% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 97.03% and 97.42% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 96.88% last crop. BSI ASR is reporting that factory performance was good, with 54,488 metric cane tons milled for the week. Farmers are reminded that sugar production and quality are maximized through a combination of high mill efficiency and good cane quality. This week, this combination of performance resulted in the lowest TCTS ratio of 7.97 for this crop. La producción de la calidad de azúcar se maximiza a través de una combinación de alta eficiencia de molino y la buena calidad de caña. Esta semana, esta combinación de rendimiento resultó en la proporción más baja de 7.97 toneladas de caña por toneladas de azúcar para esta zafra 2015.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group Belize Sugar Industries Limited.